girls, let's practice some dictation. So that's where I tell you some words and some sentences, and we use our tapping hand. Remember this guy? So you might not have one at home, but it's really easy. You can just trace your hand on a piece of paper, and then if you are right-handed, you're gonna trace your left hand, and then you're gonna label your thumb 1, your pointer finger 2, and your middle finger 3, and that's how we do our tapping. If you are left-handed, you're gonna do it the other way. You're gonna trace your right hand and then label your pinky 1, and then your next one 2, and then 3. Remember how we use our tapping hand? If we say a word and we're not sure of how to spell it, actually it's a good habit to just do it all the time, is we take our tapping hand, we pound the word. If it is cat, we pound it, and we use our fingers to tap out the sounds k, at, cat. And then we use our other hand to write the word on our paper. So you can make your own tapping hand at home. It's really easy to do and helps you with your spelling. All right. So I attached a paper that looks like this. That's one of the files on there. If someone at home wants to print this out for you, you can write your words and your sentence on this paper. If not, no problem. We can do it on a whiteboard or a piece of paper or anything like that. I'm going to show you on a whiteboard just because it's a little bigger and probably easier for you to see. So, if you are ready, let's get started. So if you can see it, your paper or your board should look kind of like this, numbered 1 through 5, 3 lines on each, and then a longer line at the end. And then at the bottom, we're going to write our sentence. And that one has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Remember, our mountain does our capital letter. And then we have our little box for our punctuation at the end. And then we check for cops or cups, whichever one you do. All right. So you can pause this and get ready, or if you're ready, we'll get started. Okay. The first word is cod. A cod is a type of fish. Okay. Cod. So we're going to pound it, cod, and we're going to tap out the sounds. K, ah, d, cod. I know that C and K both make k, but I hear an ah, an O. So I think if I remember the cat and kite rule, C goes with O. So I'm going to write k, ah, d, cod. And if yours looks like mine, k, odd, we're going to put it together and write it. And we're going to write it on the line. So k, ah, d, cod. All right, how'd you do? All right, try this next one. Tag. Tag. We played tag at recess. Tag. Think about it. Do your pounding and tapping. Tag. T, a, g. What do you hear? All right, see if you can write it on the lines. Let's see. All right, I hear t, a, g. Tag. All right, if you have t, a, g, tag, let's put it together over here on the line. Tag. All right, try this next one. Mad. My mom got mad when the dog made a mess. Mad. Try it. Try your pounding and tapping. See if you can write the word mad. I'm going to try it. Mad. M-a-d. Mad. M-a-d. Mad. M-a-d. mad. All right, let's put it together over on the other line. If yours looks like mine, mad. Good. How about this next one? Tab. Tab. I pulled the tab on the can. Tab. Let's see what you do. I'm going to pound it. Tab. And I'm going to tap it. T-a-b. Tab. I hear t. A-b. Tab. Be careful with your B's and D's. You won't want to get them mixed up. You have a D here in mad, and now you have a B here in tab. All right, if yours looks like mine, tab, let's put it together over here. Tab, tab. All right, we got one more word. This one actually has a squiggly line right here, and that means we have a digraph. Remember those H brothers? We started out with one so far. A new one's coming up soon. All right, here's your word, such. We had such a good time, such. See what you can do. Get ready to pound and tap. Such. Such. You think you got it? All right, I'm going to go. Let's see. Ch. Oh, what makes that ch sound? C-H says ch. All right, if yours looks like mine, such. Let's put it together over here. Good, such. Okay, before we do our sentence, let's go back and read these words because that's an important part of this lesson for you to be able to read what you just wrote, and that helps you when you're reading books and things like that. So up here we have cod, then we have tag, then we have mad. What's this one? Tab, and then we have such. All right, now for our sentence, we should have 6 lines at the bottom. The mountain reminds us that we're going to do an uppercase letter to start our sentence, and the little box at the end lets us know that we need some punctuation there. So here is our sentence. I'll read it once, and then I'll pound it, and then we'll do some writing. Oh, this one's a red word, too. Okay, so here we go. Did the pig hit the log? Did the pig hit the log? Let me do that one more time. Did the pig hit the log? See what you can do. Did the pig hit the log? See what you can do with this one. All right, I'm going to try it. Keep going if you're still working. Did. I see that mountain. That's reminding me I need to do my uppercase. Did. These 2 lines here tell me that's a red word. I can't pound that one. I need to remember. Did the pig, pig, egg, pig, hit it. Oh, another red word over here. Did the pig hit the, what about that last one? Did the pig hit the log? Log. Log. I need some punctuation here. Did the pig hit the log? That sounds to me like someone can answer it. Yes, he did, or no, he didn't, or maybe I'm not sure. But that sounds like a question. So I'm going to put a question mark here. Let's read it together. Did the pig hit the log? Let's check for our cops or our cups. Let's see. Do we have our capital letter? I know I do. Do we have does everything look like it's in order? Yep. Do we have our punctuation? You got it. And does this make sense? Did the pig hit the log? Yep, it does. All right, I hope you did a fantastic job, and I'll see you again soon. Keep practicing. Bye.